Sean, and I'm back after having spray painted the white base coat onto the ECTO-1, outside of course, and I want to see if I manage to avoid dripping. There's a bit of dripping there, but it's at the bottom, and the left side, which once had drips, only does at the very bottom. That's okay. So now the clue is to let it dry. Don't touch it. And see what happens next. Now that's the biggest part I had to spray paint. At least I think the guide. This one is black. It's already primered. This one gets primered gray, and then we do whatever we do with the interior, which is mentioned on the Revell guide. Because that's the one with the color key. So as you see, matte black for both the interior bucket and the bottom of the chassis. So that's the end of the white base coat. So let me go find what I'm looking for. All right, I'm back. So I have a matte black right there. So that's what I can use for the bottom of the chassis. Metallic black has to be used for the interior bucket. Well, I don't have a metallic black, but I do have a semi-gloss black, so that's about as close as I'm going to get for that. Of course, you're going to have to use the mostly full gray primer on the interior bucket first. And let's see what else we're looking at here. Those are parts, so we're fine. Okay. Now, all the little parts that go on the roof, those are going to have to be primered first and then spray painted second. Oh, those frame things are metallic black. Now let's see, do those frame things exist in the Polar Lights guide? Yes. Yes, they do. There you go. Okay, well that's good to know. So I'm going to I'll take some time and do the color coordinating, and then everything will be fine. Yeah. And you've got the matte black semi-gloss, which will stand in for metallic, but I'll use this one before the new one. Okay, good. All right, so let's take a closer look at the, yeah, there's a bit of dripping on that right flank, but that's where the hoses will disguise it. And where the door was, well, that's where I'll put the Ghostbusters emblem. Now on the, here, it's only on the very bottom. It's only on the very bottom, so that should be okay. Because I believe there's a lot, you see all those hose holes there? That should work to disguise that. At least I hope it will. I'm looking. I don't exactly see the hose holes that are for the starboard side, but maybe they are mentioned on this guide. The actual Polar Lights guide. Let's see here. Here we go. See? There you go. Port side. So there's a ladder. There's other stuff that go in there. So that should help at least. Yeah, that'll be good. And remember, any painting mistakes, well, Ray was doing it not in a professional body shop, but in an old firehouse. So you can't expect him to get it perfect. Okay. So that's that. for now.